Best motorcycle: Suzuki Hayabusa. When it comes to motorcycles, there are few names as iconic as the Suzuki Hayabusa. Since its debut in 1999, this superbike has held a special place in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts and has become a symbol of raw power, speed, and innovation. The Hayabusa, often referred to simply as the Busa, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of two-wheeled machines. In this review, we'll delve into what makes the Suzuki Hayabusa one of the most legendary motorcycles ever created. A legacy of speed. The Hayabusa, which means peregrine falcon in Japanese, is a fitting name for a bike built to be the fastest bird in the motorcycle world. It was initially conceived in the late 90s as a response to the speed wars among motorcycle manufacturers. The result was a masterpiece of engineering that could reach incredible speeds. The first generation Busa had a top speed of 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour, a figure that few production motorcycles could even dream of. Raw power. At the heart of the Hayabusa's performance is its colossal 1.340cc inline-4 engine. This engine produces a staggering 187 horsepower and 111 pounds-to-foot of torque, making it one of the most powerful production motorcycle engines ever created. The Busa's engine isn't just about raw power, it's also known for its smooth delivery of that power, allowing riders to harness the immense energy under the throttle. Evolving over time. The Hayabusa has undergone a series of updates and refinements since its introduction. The second-generation model, released in 2008, received extensive changes to the engine, frame, and styling. In 2021, Suzuki introduced the third generation, marking the Busa's return after a hiatus. This latest iteration retains the legendary power and speed while incorporating modern technology and a more aerodynamic design. Technological marvel. The Hayabusa isn't just a brute force machine, it's also a technological marvel. The latest model features ride-by-wire throttle control, multiple riding modes, a quick shifter, and a comprehensive suite of electronic aids. These technologies make the Busa not only incredibly fast but also more manageable and safer to ride at high speeds. Aerodynamic masterpiece. One of the key elements of the Hayabusa's design is its aerodynamics. The Busa was designed with a focus on reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. Its sleek lines and distinctive fairings are not just for show, they contribute to its ability to cut through the air with minimal resistance. This is especially important for a motorcycle capable of reaching speeds that approach the 200 miles per hour mark. Timeless design. The Suzuki Hayabusa's design has evolved over the years, but certain elements have remained constant. Its unique and recognizable silhouette, characterized by the large, bulbous fairing and distinctive headlight design, is a testament to its iconic status. The Busa's design is not just functional, it's also a symbol of power and speed. Rider comfort. While the Hayabusa is known for its incredible speed, it's also surprisingly comfortable for long-distance rides. The seating position is relatively upright, and the handlebars are not too aggressive, which means riders can spend hours in the saddle without excessive strain. This versatility is one of the reasons why the Busa appeals to a wide range of riders, from adrenaline junkies to touring enthusiasts. Handling and stability. With great power comes the need for great control. The Hayabusa's chassis and suspension have been refined to provide remarkable stability and precise handling, even at high speeds. The suspension components are adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike to their preferences. This is crucial when you're pushing the limits of speed and performance. Safety features. Modern iterations of the Hayabusa come equipped with advanced safety features. These include ABS, anti-lock braking system, traction control, and multiple riding modes that allow the rider to adapt the bike's performance to different road conditions. These features not only enhance safety but also make the Busa more accessible to a wider range of riders. The Busa community. Owning a Hayabusa means becoming part of a unique and passionate community. Busa riders often share a special camaraderie, celebrating the bike's legend and pushing the boundaries of what it can do. Group rides, forums, and events are common among Hayabusa enthusiasts, providing an opportunity to connect with like-minded riders. A versatile superbike. The Suzuki Hayabusa is not just about top speed, it's also a versatile superbike. While it's known for its straight-line speed, it's more than capable of handling curves and corners. Whether you're cruising on the highway, attacking twisty mountain roads, or even taking it to the racetrack, the Busa performs admirably in a variety of scenarios. The Busa's legacy. The Suzuki Hayabusa has not only been a pinnacle of performance but has also played a significant role in shaping the superbike industry. Its reputation and influence have left an indelible mark on the world of motorcycling. The Busa remains a dream bike for many riders and continues to inspire generations of motorcyclists.